In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to freeze your iPhone location without them knowing. Let's get started. First, launch Find My app. Once it loads, make sure your current location is updated by tapping the location arrow at the top right corner. After that, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right. Here you'll see your location settings and the option for Share My Location. If you turn this off, your location will stop updating and it may show your last location instead. However, keep in mind that others may see that location sharing has been disabled. Another method is using airplane mode. You can swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, then enable for the option airplane mode. This will disconnect your phone from Wi-Fi and mobile data, which stops location updates temporarily. But remember, you won't receive calls, messages, or internet while it's on. A better and more flexible option is through Settings. Launch Settings, click on your Apple ID. Now click on the option Find My. Inside this menu, you will see the option for My Location. Here you can change which device is sharing your device, like switching from your iPhone to another trusted device such as iPad or Mac that is signed into the same Apple ID. Once you set another device as your location source, your iPhone won't update your position anymore. And whenever you want, you can switch it back to your iPhone again in the same settings. And that's it. That's how you can control or freeze your iPhone location using built-in settings. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.